Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Naima and I'm here with an unboxing, baby. As you can tell by the title, I got my hands on the new Jackie Aina Forever Move fragrance, and let's unbox her and get straight on into it. She's here. I actually have been sitting on this package for maybe 2 or 3 days. I did the early release order through the Sephora app. And yeah, I'm actually surprised that it actually shipped like on time. It wasn't like any delay or anything. So the shipping was like amazing, okay? So before we actually unbox this fragrance, so I have smelled maybe 1 or 2 of the original fragrances that came out for Forever Move, but I'm not sure which one they were. Like I can't remember the names, but I know the color when I see it. But it wasn't to where as though I wanted to purchase like the fragrance in itself. It didn't really move me. So this is a blind buy. I have not smelled this fragrance. I did not go into Sephora. As you can see, I ordered it. But pistachio is something about a pistachio note. For me, it sucks me right on in. So again, that's why we're here. So let's get into it, Miss Jackie girl. And also, support a black business. A black business, a black female brand that's in Sephora is amazing, okay? We love to freaking see it. So this is her, and I actually bought the full size. She was here. Love it. So the notes are roasted pistachio, Turkish rose, vanilla milk, for the girls that leaves an impression wherever she goes. That's what we want to do, okay? Let's get into it, Miss Jackie girl. Please don't let me down. All right, y'all, let's get into it. She is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness. The camera is not doing this any justice, y'all. She is stunning. You hear me? Beautiful, okay? It's giving black woman. It's giving she's a baddie. It's giving she was here, okay? So let's get into the smell. First impressions. I'm gonna spray it out in the box. Ooh. Ooh. Y'all, and guess what? I have on a pistachio scent today. She's good. She good. Oh, she smells so good. It's sweet. It's warm. I smell the rose, the Turkish rose. I smell the vanilla milk. Not so much of a roasted, maybe that's what roasted pistachio smell like. But this smells really, really good. It's very feminine. You can wear it now. You can wear it when it gets cold. Ooh, she smells so yummy. Ooh. Jackie, you did your big one with this one, girl. I absolutely love it. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. Will I repurchase this? Absolutely. Absolutely. So if you have this fragrance, let me know what you think, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.